Hello everyone, my name is John from AMBOHR, your reliable supplier of technical products. We provide systematic solutions and comprehensive protection. The product we have today is a portable air purifier, model number OAP-208. This product combines sterilization, deodorization, and air purification for use in different occasions. Let's take a look at this product. We have an instruction manual, the USB cable, and the product itself. The product has an air inlet and ion outlet, a power button with 3 modes, O3, O3+, sterilization. It has foot pads to keep it balanced in a lying position, and a rechargeable battery. The product takes a power input of 0.6 watts and gives out an ozone and ion output of 12 milligrams per hour. Let's test the product's functionality. As you can see, we have a tube filled with smoke, and we all know smoke is not good for your lungs. So we're going to ionize the smoke in the tube using the ionizer. As you can see, the smoke in the tube has been ionized. To use the device without the battery, take the battery out and connect the device to the USB power strip. The device's LED indicator will turn red to show that it has been powered on. To charge the battery, connect the device to the power strip while the battery is in the device. To charge the battery, connect the device to the power strip while the battery is in the device, and the indication light will turn red. Product information, customization, and more, please visit our website okalibaba.com, okayozone.com, which is OKAY ozone.com, or AMBOHR, which is AMBOHR.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you make requests, we do the rest.